Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025. The perfect picks if you want high quality footage without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for safety, clear recording, or smart features, we've got you covered. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description below so you can check them out and grab the best deals. 5. VIOFO A229 plus 2CH. Introducing the VIOFO A229 plus dual channel dashcam, the ultimate upgrade for your car's safety and security. Featuring dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, it delivers 2.5's better light sensitivity and dynamic range, reducing nighttime noise and motion blur for crystal clear footage. With 2K front and rear HDR recording, you'll capture every detail from fast-moving vehicles to license plates in vibrant color and clarity. The high frame rate front camera ensures smooth, precise video, while hands-free voice control keeps you focused on the road with commands like take photo, lock video, and turn on Wi-Fi. Equipped with an ultra-precise quad-mode GPS and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the A229 Plus logs accurate speed and location data and lets you preview and download videos instantly. Its 24/7 parking mode offers auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording for round-the-clock protection. Designed with a user-friendly interface and flexible installation options, this dashcam is easy to set up and operate. For optimal performance, pair it with a high-endurance VIOFO microSD card. Elevate your driving safety with the A229 Plus, where innovation meets reliability. 4. Vantrue N5S. Upgrade your driving safety with the Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360 degrees dashcam, offering complete road and cabin coverage to eliminate blind spots. Equipped with a powerful dual-core processor, it records in stunning 2.7K plus 1080p plus 1080 440p resolution with flexible 1CH 4CH modes, perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. All cameras feature Starvis 2 night vision, capturing license plates clearly even at night, while the 2.5K rear camera and rear cabin cam provide sharp footage of every detail inside and behind your vehicle. Stay connected with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and OTA firmware updates via the Vantrue app for effortless video management and mileage tracking. The dashcam also offers 24/7 buffered parking mode, detecting motion or collisions even when your car is off. Hands-free voice commands in multiple languages, loop recording with G-sensor protection, and support for up to 1 terabyte storage ensure reliable evidence anytime. Built to withstand extreme temperatures and easy to install with adjustable mounts, the N5S is compatible with most vehicles. Backed by an 18-month warranty, it's the ultimate all-in-one solution for complete peace of mind on the road. 3. Galphi Q2 Silver. Upgrade your driving experience with the Galphi 4K 2160p dashcam. Capture every moment in stunning 4K UHD with a 160-degree wide-angle lens, delivering crystal clear cinematic footage for family cars, new drivers, and rideshare professionals. Equipped with advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi and a free app, you can download videos at lightning-fast speeds up to 8 MB per second, making sharing and playback effortless. Its screen-free design minimizes distractions, keeping your focus on the road while recording continuously. Compact and easy to install, the dashcam fits seamlessly without blocking your view, and detailed instructions make setup a breeze. With 24-hour parking mode, Type-C hardwire kit required, loop recording, and a G-sensor, your footage is always protected, even during sudden shakes or collisions. Experience superior night vision thanks to an f1.6 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring clear recordings in low light, rain, or snow. Plus, it comes with a pre-installed 64 GB memory card and supports up to 256 GB for extended storage. Stay safe, capture every drive, and never miss a moment with the Galphi dashcam. 2. RedTiger F7NP. Upgrade your driving safety with the RedTiger F7NP dashcam, featuring stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording for crystal clear footage. Equipped with the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, f1.5 large aperture, and WDR HDR technology, it captures sharp, high-contrast images day or night. The 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle lenses ensure every detail is recorded. Perfect for commuting, road trips, rideshare drivers, and new drivers. Stay connected with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and the RedTiger Cam app, allowing real-time previews, fast downloads, GPS tracking, and easy management of your footage. Enjoy loop recording with a free memory card, ensuring uninterrupted coverage, while the G sensor locks critical clips automatically. 24/7 parking mode adds extra protection with time-lapse or collision-triggered recording. Designed with a supercapacitor for heat resistance and long-term reliability, the F7NP is built to last, backed by an 18-month warranty. Follow the usage tips for optimal performance and safe operation. Protect your car and capture every moment effortlessly with the RedTiger F7NP dashcam, your ultimate on-road companion. One ROVE R2 4K Dual. Upgrade your driving experience with the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam, featuring 4K front plus 1080p rear recording for complete road coverage. Capture every detail with a 150-degree ultra-wide front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, ensuring crystal clear footage day or night. Thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor and wide aperture lenses, f1.5 front, f1.8 rear, your recordings remain bright and sharp even in low-light conditions. Stay connected with ultra-fast dual-band 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to download videos to 20 megabytes per second directly to your iPhone or Android for instant sharing. With built-in GPS, track speed, routes, and directions on the 3-inch IPS screen or your PC using ROVE's free GPS player. Advanced features like motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, emergency video lock, and a 24/7 custom parking mode provide maximum protection for your vehicle. The dashcam also comes with a 128GB micro SD card, supports up to 1 terabytes, and includes voice guidance, supercapacitor durability, and optional CPL filter support. Protect your car with cutting-edge technology and peace of mind with ROVE's R2 4K Dual Dashcam. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best budget dashcams for 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides. Don't forget, all the dashcams we covered are linked in the description below, so you can check them out and grab the best deals for yourself. See you in the next video.